Click Verify Sender Email. You will now authorize Manzia, the company behind Email Cross-Sales, to send emails from your email domain. Manzia uses Amazon Web Services, AWS, Simple Email Service as our email provider. AWS is the largest cloud services provider and is a subsidiary of Amazon. Keep in mind that AWS charges for emails sent by Manzia via your email address will be charged to Manzia and not to you. There are 4 steps we need to complete to authorize Manzia to send emails on your behalf. 1. Log into your AWS Amazon account. Verify an email address. Set an authorization policy and send a test email. To create an Amazon AWS account, visit the Amazon AWS Simple Email Service website. Click Get Started with Amazon SES. We will follow the on-screen instructions to create an AWS account as a root user. Go through the AWS account setup. Go back to Email Cross-Sales and enter the ID of the AWS account you just created. Click Next. Go back to the AWS Management Console and click Simple Email Service or search for it. In the top right corner, select the first region in the list, US East, North Virginia. You must select this specific region regardless of where you or your store are physically located. Even if you are not in the US, select US East, North Virginia. Under Identity Management, click Email Addresses. Click Verify a new email address. Click Verify this email address. Go to your email and click the verification link. Go back to your AWS SES console. Refresh. Go back to the Email Cross-Sales app and enter the verified email address. Click Next. We will now set an authorization policy. Go back to the Amazon AWS SES console. Select the verified email address. Click View Details. Click Identity Policies. Click Create Policy. Select Custom Policy. Enter a name in the policy name. Go back to the Email Cross-Sales app and copy and paste the policy here. Click Apply Policy. Click Sending Statistics. Your Amazon SES account now has Sandbox access in the US East North Virginia region. When in the Sandbox, you can only send email to the Amazon SES Mailbox Simulator and verified email addresses and domains. We shall now submit a request to be moved out of the Sandbox. Click Edit your account details. Check Yes for Enable Production Access. Mail type transactional. Enter your website URL. For the use case description, go back to the Email Cross Sales app, scroll down, and you can copy and paste the sample use case description here and customize this. So you can go through this and customize this use case description. You can enter an additional email address. Agree to the terms of service and click Submit for review. Go back to the Email Cross Sales app and click Next. Finally, we will send a test email. But because the AWS account we just created is still in the AWS SES Sandbox, we will skip this step. You can follow the instructions on the screen on how to track the progress on your request to get out of the Sandbox. It typically takes 1 to 2 business days for AWS to get your email address out of the Sandbox. Click Finish